Well, good morning, and yet another lovely, lovely day. Oh, aren't we blessed? Now, I'm making a little video for you with my new Sony smart camera. It's very, very clever. As you are about to see, I don't actually have to touch the camera to make it zoom in or zoom out, or to change from taking a video to taking a picture. Bear with me a second, I have to look down. Oh, this sunshine's bloody bright. Ooh, there we are. Whoosh! And there we go, back again. Now, I did a little video like this for you yesterday in Woodbridge. But before I set off, I had forgotten to have a shave and clean my glasses. And when I looked at it last night when I got home, you could see every bit of stubble and every splodge that was on my glasses. This thing is so good. Well, I think we're in for a drop of rain tomorrow and the next few days, so I'm going to make the best of today, and I'll get back to you later. I'm going to have to look down again to stop the camera.